What's up, everybody? It's your main man, Lakeith Fowler, right here with another episode of House Money. Today, we're talking about home cabinets. Home cabinets or house cabinets or cabinets in your house. However you want to put it together, man, that's what we're discussing, cabinets. And come on in, man, let me show you. I'd rather just show you than tell you. So as you walk on in this house, I'm gonna take y'all in through the garage because I wanna show you this. So in the cabinets, I got vanities in here and I'm gonna show you these vanities. This, I'll be honest with you, this looks like, here's something you can use, project source. Find out what that is, looks like Lowe's, where that comes from, project source. So as you see these cabinets in these boxes, cabinet base, all that right there, let's go on in the inside and show you what it looks like when it's set up. So this, the shaker cabinets. This looks like glass, it's just plastic over the cabinet. But this, let me step back a little bit. This is what you want. This is the kitchen. Turn it around to the opposite side, swing, boom. This. Come in the bathroom so you can see what they look like. Here's the master. Boom. Cabinets are very important into real estate investing. So I don't have my power on yet, so I'm gonna make sure I get to a really good spot where you can see these cabinets behind me or what have you. But cabinets, the white cabinets are booming right now. Everybody's loving the white shaker cabinets. I'm gonna probably put some pulls on them right here, some door pulls right here to open them up, look in the inside. Nice. These cabinets honestly run about, I don't know, they all come from Lowe's. They run you about $170 a piece, already painted. You can get some, I got some going on at a Fowler restoration home that are unpainted. I'm taking them back because I want to get the ones that are already painted. These 30-inch shaker cabinet deals run and they look good. They work very well. They're very popular. This is what's in demand. This is what people are wanting, and it flows. It flows like it really looks good. If you get a dark color, and I got a YouTube a show about this, as far as like you see this paint on the wall, if you can see it behind me, you see how it's kind of, I'm gonna hold it out because I don't have anybody filming this, I'm doing this all myself. But you see the wall, it's like a gray color, and you see how it looks with these cabinets behind it or on it. I talked about this in the brick and stone on the outside of a home. I like the way that flows. Brick and stone on the outside of a home. It's also got a flow on the inside too. So one thing that I've noticed, like you as a person, you style yourself every day. You put on clothes and shoes and you leave the house. So I'm dark skinned. So for me, things that are dark kind of just blend in with my skin tone. You can't really see it. It still looks good because I look amazing. But to make it pop, to get that contrast, dark light. So you see the walls are dark, but then you see the white of the cabinets and how it pops, how it looks, how it just sets it apart from everything else. And then you see the white on the trim, and the rest of this trim will go along the baseboard here and here and here. And when you have all that working together, it's like having a nice outfit. And honestly, that's the way you gotta kind of consider your house to be, kind of like a nice outfit. Like the way you put together your outfit, you gotta put your house and your real estate investments together the same way, because we just came on the inside, now I'm on the outside. As you see, it flows. Everything behind me looks very good, but it looks very good for a reason, because I take the time to make it look good. I take the time to take the details to make everything in my final product be something that the individual wants, because at the end of the day, what are you here for? Like for me, This particular asset, I'm the builder, the buyer, and the bank. So I'm not selling this. I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep it at least for the next 120 months. That's 10 years, and take advantage of inflation, depreciation, and amortization of the asset. So I want it to last. So I only want to use the best products, and the products that'll last and be around for a long period of time, that'll still kind of look stylish or so in the next 10 years. And this gives me that opportunity to do that. I'm gonna put granite over the countertops. It's gonna be real nice, pools, everything. So, you know, it's gonna be all right. Hey man, Lakeith buys houses and land. If you're a wholesaler, if you're a realtor, if you work at a title company, a brokerage, whatever you do, if you're getting deals, man, I buy houses and land. And this is what I do with it. I create real products, real things with real results. I just need real people that want to make real moves to be a part of this real life situation. I'm not playing, I'm not joking, I'm very serious. So if you got a deal, just get at me, man. I click the link below and let's go, man. I got numbers, DM me, leave a message, comment. Tell me what you would like to see, what you like to talk about in real estate on my channel, House Money, everything real estate related. I'm playing with the house's money, and the house always wins. So let's win together. Lakeith buys houses and land. Hey, don't forget to follow me on all social media platforms. Thank you.